We end the week with a doctor who makes house calls, but that's not all that's unusual about this doctor whose practice is healing a city. Here's Steve Hartman's Assignment America.
There are certainly easier ways to hear a heartbeat than over the roar of Interstate 376 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Certainly more profitable specialties than street medicine.
We can then work something out until we can get the insurance stuff straightened up.
Still, since 1992, Dr. Jim Withers has been caring exclusively for the city's homeless.
Hi, Dr. Withers.
Night after
How you
night,
been?
he and his team make their rounds at homeless camps. They treat everything, head to toe, from mental illness to frostbitten feet.
Take one of these at night.
What little Dr. Withers makes comes mostly from grants and teaching at a medical school. But he doesn't think about money. In fact, this guy doesn't think at all like a typical doctor.
The essence of healthcare is going to where people are, either physically or, even more importantly, spiritually, emotionally. Anything else you need tonight?
Just a hug.
When they're shown that they matter, when that really sinks in, then hope grows and amazing things happen. How are you? And that's why we've been able to house well over 700 people.
House?
House.
Doctors don't put people in houses.
You know, if I could, I'd write a prescription for a house for, all the street people, because it is immensely important for health.
This is 49-year-old Jim Ellis. He was on the streets for 8 years until he met Dr. Withers, who first treated his back pain and then helped cure his homelessness.
6, 7,
Through a nonprofit Dr. Withers started called Operation Safety Net, he and his staff have been remarkably successful at finding apartments for people like Jim.
I had everything, and I lost it all. And it's nice to call someplace home again.
Jim pays what he can for rent. House calls are still free.
As clean as your apartment.
But here's the most amazing part of this whole story. Over the years, Operation Safety Net has been able to help so many that today homelessness in Pittsburgh is literally half the problem it used to be. Half as many people on the streets. About a dozen cities in America are now trying to copy the program in firm belief that this doctor definitely knows best. Steve Hartman, CBS News, Pittsburgh.